We talked in an earlier presentation about big data, new technology that can identify individuals who are in the market today for a mortgage or a refinance. If you missed that presentation, there is a link in the box below. But now the question might be, how can I use this data to catapult my mortgage brokerage firm to the next level? There are two ways big data will work for your firm. First, it allows you to concentrate your advertising efforts on these individuals who are looking for a mortgage or a refinance right now. We can take the list into the Google family of platforms, AdWords, Google Search, YouTube, and Gmail advertising. We can use your list to advertise your firm on Facebook and other social media advertising platforms. We can use it to advertise through any number of display and networks that will show your ad to your audience when they are on any of the millions of websites associated with these networks. In other words, we can get your message in front of your immediate prospects wherever that might be. That's the first way big data can be used to draw more prospects into your funnel, but the second way may be even more powerful. For the internet as a whole, there is a reality that is really sort of depressing. Out of every 100 visitors that come to a website, 96 will leave without taking action. That action might be to purchase or a sign up or a click to call, just whatever. 96% will leave without taking action. But with big data, we're able to continue the conversation with a number of these visitors. Here's how it works. When an individual from the list of current in the market prospects comes to your website, the system takes note of it. In our weekly updated list, those individuals are identified. We can then take the identifier code and process it through a service that matches the code up with a name, an address, a phone number, and even an email address. Now, this matching system isn't perfect. It can't identify everyone from the initial list who has visited your website, but it can usually return between 10% and 40% matches. So, if your website gets 2,000 visits from the initial list, you'll wind up with 200 to 800 names, addresses, phone numbers, and an email address. Would your sales process be able to reach out to those individuals and nurture them through the rest of your sales funnel? Might that make a difference in the number of applications and closings you generate each month? I'm guessing it would. To find out more about the big data system and how it can work for your mortgage brokerage firm, I invite you to click the Learn More button below. It might just be the key to taking your business from where it is today to where you want it to be. Thanks so much for visiting with us today.